We have news coming in, and this is the news that we were dreading here on NDTV, but there seems to be a confirmation that Dharmendra Ji, the iconic legendary actor, is no more. This has now been confirmed. You're seeing people reach the crematorium. There were all indications of this news coming in, but that has now been confirmed here on NDTV. We were being extremely responsible with our coverage, but at the age of 89 years, the icon, the legend, the actor, the superstar of the 70s and 80s, Dharmendra Ji, has passed away. He had been extremely critical for a couple of weeks. Then he was taken home to his residence in Juhu by his family members, where they were hoping that he would recover. And there were prayers of 1 million people hoping that the actor would recover. But now what we do know, and we have confirmed here on NDTV, is the man loved by so many people is no more. Abira joins us. Abira, what can you share with us at this point?
We have seen Amitabh Bachchan already go inside. We have seen Hema Malini is already inside the crematorium. Right now I'm standing outside the crematorium, and we, like you already confirmed, that yes, the legend Dharmendra has passed away, and he was 89 years old, and he was admitted in Breach Candy Hospital in October after he complained of breathlessness, and post that the family decided to bring him home. We know that he was on ventilator for some time, and today we have confirmation that he passed away. He was a legendary actor. He has entertained us for 5 decades, and let me tell you, he was that one actor who has record of the number of hits he has given. 8 hits in a single year in 1973 and 9 in 1987, a record that still he holds, and nobody has broken this record yet. So that is the kind of actor he was, you know, from making us laugh in Chupke Chupke to making us weep in Satyakam, and then the cheer, if we talk about Sholay, that was Dharmendra for you, and it is a very, very sad day, end of an era, I would say, that we lost this legendary actor.
There's so much to thank him for, Abira. I think it's 4 generations, if not more, that can relate to Dharmendra Ji, because I used to see my grandfather watching his films, my father, it's been me, it's been my daughter also who's seen films of him. He's resonated with at least 3 to 4 generations, a man who's given his lifetime to a career in films and has been recognized for his work, a superstar of the 70s and 80s.
Absolutely, he was a superstar of the 70s and the 80s. He started his career in the 60s. And now here we are standing outside Pavanand's crematorium. Like NDTV is responsible when it comes to journalism, and we would never break something which is only rumors. And now we confirm that this legendary actor passed away today. Still, the family is right now inside the crematorium. Aamir Khan we have seen going in. We have seen Amitabh Bachchan going in. But the media is asked not to enter the crematorium. We are all standing here outside to pay our last respect to him. People are still coming in to pay their respect inside. The celebrities are seen coming inside. So we will wait for the family to talk to us if they at all, or give a statement. But yes, Mr. Dharmendra has passed away today. He has been fighting for quite some time. He was critical. We know that. He was brought home by his son and daughters. His daughters flew down from USA to be by his side and by his mother's side. So yes, it is a very, very sad day today. Amitabh Bachchan was very close to Dharmendra Ji. They have done Sholay together and so many other films together, and he stays right in the next lane. But after Dharmendra Ji came home, all the guests were restricted. They were not allowed to visit him because of his health condition. But now we have seen Amitabh Bachchan going inside the crematorium, and we are hoping more celebrities will come in to pay their last respect.
There's so many of these actors, female actors, who've also said that they were completely infatuated by Dharmendra ji in their years, in their prime. He's been a man who's been so affectionate. He's had a fan following, be it with his colleagues or be it with the generation after. Salman Khan also, an actor who has said that after my father, one person I've really followed consistently is Dharmendra ji, even more than Dharmendra's own sons. But I believe I have Saurabh live with me as well at this point. Okay, we don't have Saurabh with us. Radhika live with us from outside Dharmendra ji's residence, I believe. Radhika, the news has now been confirmed. It's of course extremely shattering for the family, but an official word from the family also awaited at this point, as you see more and more actors, family friends and family congregate at the crematorium.